I'm going to show you guys everything that you need to set up your mirror booth and get started, as well as showing you how to set it up on the booth so that you can get your booth running. If you're new to my channel, my name is Natalie, and I help people start their photo booth businesses and be successful. Let's get straight into the video. First thing you will need is the software. I use DSLR Booth. It's a really good software. They have monthly plans as well as yearly plans. In order to get that software, you will have to go to their website, create an account, purchase the software, and then download it onto your mirror booth. Your mirror booth is a PC, so it's a little bit different from a regular photo booth app that you might be used to if you have any other photo booths. So you will have to go to the website in order to download the program onto your mirror booth. Secondly, if you are printing with your mirror booth, you will need to download a print driver. So whatever printer you use, you have to go on and their website and download the printing software as well. If you do not download that, you will not be able to print, and that is separate. Now let's talk about the other parts that you will need to make sure that your mirror booth is running and able to take pictures. First, you'll need a camera. I use this DSLR camera, and it is a Canon Rebel T6. And I will put all the different cameras that are compatible with this software. Make sure that you are getting a camera that is compatible, okay? You will also need a flash. A flash is mandatory because you want to make sure that your pictures are coming out clear and they're well lit. You want high quality photos. You will need a baby pin to mount your flash. Then you will need something that is going to connect your flash to your camera, because when you take the photo, boom, the flash will be connected and it'll light it up. You could pay a lot of money for a wireless remote to connect it to your camera, or you can get a hot shoe that goes directly on the camera for about $20. You will also need a photography umbrella, a reflective umbrella, and I'm going to show you guys how all this ties in, so don't get too confused. I'm going to show you how I set all this up. And then you will need this cord that is going to connect to the hot shoe and the flash. That's what's going to connect the flash to the camera and the hot shoe. Now I'm going to show you how all these parts are supposed to be set up on your mirror booth. First, you'll need your baby pin, and you will connect this on top of your mirror booth so that your flash will have something to sit on. Then you are going to put your flash facing back, because you will use your reflective umbrella. And I feel so weird opening an umbrella in the house. And then you will put your reflective umbrella through the top of your flash. So you get a reflective umbrella. You can get it on Amazon. And I have the one with the silver lining. Now I'm just plugging in my power source to my flash. And then my other cord that is going to connect the flash to the camera. The flash that I have is the Alien Bees brand, and it's an external flash. They are a little bit expensive, but I will link all the flashes and everything you need below. Now I'm going to connect my camera to my flash and to the mirror booth. So there's this spot right here, and then we have this pin right here that should come with your mirror booth. And then there's the cord from the mirror booth that connects to your camera on the side. We have a spot right here. And then you're going to want to mount your camera, and then the flash connected to the hot shoe. Make sure you guys comment if you have any more questions regarding the mirror booth or any photo booth. And I will be linking everything below. And I'm making more videos on the mirror booth. I'm going to show you guys how to set up an event and answer a lot of different questions. So make sure you're subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.